So,
So they can
hey
hear.
everybody. They can hear. Oh, they can hear.
I'm not turning volume up.
Are you watching?
Are you watching?
You better be.
You better be watching.
Because if you're not,
You
we gonna get you.
We go.
I'm a little serious today, y'all. It's the 4th of July. We actually had eventful day. The movies, we went to go see The Proposal. The best part was when the grandma and the girl was outside dancing. She said, to the window, to the wall, to the sweatshop. And then you know she said, oh, ski, 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 oh, ski, ski. It was funny. It was funny. The Proposal. You gotta go see it. You gotta go see it. The grandma is the best.
What's his name? Gammy?
Yeah, Gammy. Gammy is the best. Whew. Then after that, where did we go to that? But before that, we went to eat. You know, we had to.
Had to go check up on
Feed the
Wendy's.
belly.
I really go check up on Wendy's. You know, we do best eat.
No, Wendy's, that food was nasty to me.
My hamburger was good. I don't know what y'all
Your bacon was slimy.
Alright, that's only one piece.
No,
One piece of my
nasty.
bacon was slimy.
And then, after the movies, we went to Penn's Landing, which we really thought it was going to be fireworks. And we got
Yeah, all
there.
these times told something, no fireworks
When we got there, we was like,
tonight.
then we got lost, y'all. Right? We got lost, like, oh my gosh. Then we had to catch a cab
We was in the cab.
to the art museum at Parkway to see the fireworks. They had this lady up there. She a country singer. She was killing it. She did it. She did the same thing.
She sounded like her whole album to us, like why would you do that? I don't understand.
See, I enjoyed it. She didn't, you know.
I don't care, like
She
she sounded like her whole song, like all of it, like I don't know.
What was all them squads getting up there like?
No,
Come
they didn't do
on.
anything.
They all sitting there. Come on, let's go pop that girl. Let's go pop that girl.
Wow.
No, let me tell you, right? Don't call me yo ma or nothing like that, okay? Cause this boy was like, can I talk to you? I was like, like, I mean, maybe you guys don't think it's funny. I don't think it's funny neither, but I was just like, you know, because for those out there that do like yo ma, don't say that to me. That's not my name, okay? My name's Akira. I'm not trying to start catching for like money my Kia. No, not like that. I'm just saying money my Kia. But then after that, the best part. But the best part was when we went back to 15th Street. Why did these two joins start fighting in the middle of the street? They almost got ran over fighting. And then they stopped, and then they brought it over to the side we was at. Then we had to run across the street, we running back and forth. And then the cops came out with their little sticks.
Yo,
I had to tell one cop, mess with me, put him up, put him up.
Oh, we killed niggas today. We killed them.
No, it was the funny part was, how you was scared of the dog.
You gotta watch the video. Oh my god, I was scared.
Yeah, it was like, about like, oh, but how was you guys 4th of July? Let us know. Hit us up. Let's
Leave
know.
a comment.
Tell us.
We really need comments on our videos. There are a lot of views with no comments. Well, not much, at least. But, you know, post comments. Okay.
Why that bother you? That doesn't bother me. It doesn't say.
It bothers me because you're going to say watch my video and no comment. Like,
even if you say, man, that was whack.
just let us know how you feel and we'll strive to be better. Because he was whack.
I'm pretty. Today was good. And I'm looking at a balloon that says, greatest dad ever.
And it says greatest dad, don't say
I don't care. It's what I say. Oh, let's talk about commercials. The best commercial is this one. It's the McDonald's commercial. It's like, I want, I need, I want, I need. Bacon, lettuce, milk, pickles, onions, some. Not funny.
I don't know any commercials.
You don't know any commercials. I don't know, but I know just about every commercial there is.
I don't watch commercials.
No, you know it used to be the best commercial? You know the Snickers commercial? And he's like, with caramels and waterfalls, heavy newing in the metal, sings a song of satisfaction to the world. The world, that's right, the world. But we just talking today. Well, we might do another one, but I'm gonna ask you guys because we're very curious. What do you guys want to see us do? Let us know, and we'll try our best to do as many as we can.
Maybe like we could like do a video like where we like all come together or something, or maybe like we could come together and like we could tie like our sneakers up and like throw them over like telephone poles or something, because I see people do that. Like people like who does that? Like who does it behind? Like